जब दिल ही टूट गया, जब दिल ही टूट गया, हम जी के क्या करेंगे, हम जी के क्या.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to show you the easiest way to make rotis. You just need a king size space and 3 operators and a kneader and a ball cutter and a seater and a compressor, and you are done. What a waste of time and money.
Worry no more. Doughbot is here.
A single machine that does 5 jobs for you. Doughbot is your mixer, kneader, ball maker, sheeter, and also bakes your rotis. Just fill the flour, connect oil and water tanks, and you're done. Doughbot measures the flour and mixes with oil and water. The inbuilt kneader kneads the dough. The machine makes smooth dough balls, and the dough balls are pressed into round disc. The machine even bakes the disc. All this at the click of a button. Doughbot comes in various speeds and configurations to fit your requirement. It's a versatile machine and works with various types of flour. It can also be programmed to fit your thickness and size requirements. With Doughbot by your side, you will not have to worry about getting any other equipment or addition for your needs.
Doughbot is your kitchen robot that can make power baked rotis instantly. Doughbot is easy to use, small in size, and is backed by our award-winning support.